So that's why I've been in the business for over 15 years. I take it out of heart. And seriously, we have close to 99% success rate for Quebec immigration file. We do some other, some other federal immigration, but now it's closed, or I mean, it just opened, and it's not very favorable for a lot of people. Your rights as Canadian permanent resident. I don't think I need to talk much about your rights as a Canadian permanent resident. Basically, they're the same rights as a Canadian citizen, except the right to vote. That's it. All the rest is the same. And after 3 years, you get your passport. FAQs, length of entire process. Takes about a year, more or less, depending on when you finish your DEP. What happens if you fail your interview? Then we have to reapply. But as I said, if you listen to me, you will pass. I'm just telling you straight up. English interview. Will the interview be in English or French? It will be in English. Don't worry. I even had, actually, with Chinese clients, had the interview with a translator. It was the first time I think it happened. But you know the points for languages, for English and French. You get points in English for the IELTS, right? And you get points for the French with an exam also. In the cases of, and you get points for interview. In the case of my Chinese clients, some of them had very poor French, very poor English, but I wanted to bank, I needed the interview points. So I said, I'm going to bring a translator. So we brought a translator. And the officer said, but Mr. DERY, what do you mean a translator? I said, well, she doesn't need points for French. I mean, she has the exam. She has the exam for English. We need interview points. So she can't really express herself in English. She can't really express herself in French. How is she going to get the interview points? That's true. So she did her interview in Chinese. And she got the interview points, and she passed. And it was the first time that it happened. And no settlement funds. As I said, no show money, no settlement funds. And as you know, I mean, you should have the intention of residing in Quebec because you're doing a Quebec immigration application, but you never know what can happen in life. You decide you want to move to Toronto or Vancouver or whatever it is, you got a job opportunity, well, it's freedom of movement. As a Canadian resident, you can move and settle anywhere you want. We would rather you settle in Quebec, but we know things change.